It's a 1983 Porsche 944. I bought it when I was 19 years old. The engine was ruined, the valves got smashed. I had it towed to the Porsche dealer. They gave me the bill for $5,000 to have it repaired. Well, I didn't have $5,000, so I just had it towed to my house and just worked on it piece by piece. I was able to get it running after 8 months. When I started it up, in my head I was just thinking, oh, this is amazing, I can't even believe it's running again. It used to drive me nuts to pay someone $800 to work on my car. I can do that. For people who are out there who are just learning to work on cars, 1A Auto is here to help you.